Early worm gets the fish. Walking our way to the fishing hole. It's early. Hello guys, we're here at Table Rock, Missouri. We're here to do some early morning fishing. Right, buddy? All right, here's what we're gonna be using. We're gonna be using our crawfish. We got a blue face. We got another crawfish, which is red, and we got a spoon. We caught a few walleye on this guy. We've caught a bass on this guy, and this is unknowns. Sort of unknown territory, right? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put them in the water, and we're gonna see how they move first. Let's get going. Let's get going. All right, let's see how he moves. All right, let's go. So when crawfish run away, they use their tail and they go like that really fast. They always wiggling. So he's not sinking. So it's like he's in top water. Let's see how he moves through the water.
So basically, he's like a shrimp.
Yep. All right. Is that what he does? All right, let's see what the other guys do. Right, here we go. Do you hear that? This is a ringing bell. Let's see what he does. He's not floating. What does that mean? He's gonna sink, right?
Yeah.
So let's see what it looks like when he spins. You see how he moved?
Yeah. Since it was shiny, that's why.
Yep. So it's moving because it's shiny. All right, let's see what the other guys do. It's a little spoon. Let's see what it looks like on the other side.
Yeah.
Out of the three, which one do you want on your line?
I'm gonna give these another try.
All right. We'll use the top water crawfish bait.
Yeah.
So let's do a couple practice throws before we get on the docks. Ready? All right. Nice. Caught something. Your first treasure. All right.
Really? That's pretty good.
I wonder how it's gonna taste. All right, you ready? Now it's time to get to the docks?
Yeah.
All right, let's get going. So when we're walking, we can't let it hang like that or it's gonna get caught on people or something. So each fishing pole has this little guy right here. See, it's this little hook right here. So you let it free. No, let it go. See how it's hanging like that? And now you tighten it. There you go. See, now it's safe.
A hooking watch?
Yep, all fishing poles have it. Let's go.
Yeah. My ice cream cone.
Pretty good, how are you? Hey, look, it's mid-state fishing. Let's get it. All right, let's practice those techniques. Mid-state over there is showing off. I think you practice better than that. But yeah, we should stand here and just throw it with those sound effects. See, like right here, throw it here. Go from here and throw all the way over there. There you go. And throw. There you go. Keep on doing that a couple thousand times, you'll get a bite. You see how he's moving on top?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, doesn't it? Make it look real. Alright, throw it on the other side as well. No, go over there and throw it over there. There's a big fish that jumped right over there. See, they're jumping.
Yeah, this is the best time now.
See, when you see like little fish jumping out of the water, it means the big fish are scared of them. It's caught. Nice throw.
No, did the swoosh like you wanted it.
Look at these guys. Always by the ducks. Oh, they're going after your crawfish. See that?
Yeah.
See how it's moving? They think it's real. I guarantee we're gonna catch like probably like 5 or 6 here. Why were we here the whole time? We had some fun, but it's time to go see other things. But we had a great time, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's get going.
Let's go.